So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to Bybit. So to do this is pretty simple. Here we want to go to our wallets or spot our funding, wherever USDT or crypto, whatever it is. So we're going to do withdraw. From withdraw we want to search up our coin. Let's just go BTC for now. For an example, send via crypto network, and then here we're going to select our network with Lightning network for example, and place our withdrawal amount later. So now we go back to Bybit, and then from here we want to do a deposit basically. So here all we want to do is deposit crypto, and then we'll have to search our crypto, which will be Bitcoin. So BTC. From there we will just have to search our network. So here let's just skip it right here. So it's gonna use the web3 actually. So here the network is BTC. So here it's not currently available, but basically when it's available it will give you an address you can copy. Once you return to Binance you have to long press and paste it right here. So here once it's done you can select the withdrawal amount and then withdraw, and then it will be sent back to your Bybit instantly. So there you go guys, that is how you send or transfer crypto from Binance to Bybit quickly. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.